So, Chris, first question I've got, for our audience and the attendees that will be able to attend our Smart Manufacturing event on September the 9th and 10th is this. How can digital production scheduling impact our audience's bottom line?
Yeah, great question, because it is all about the bottom line, right?
Yep.
And digital scheduling really can be a game changer. It enables manufacturers to optimize their resources based on real life constraints. So resources being people, machines, materials, instead of reacting to disruptions, the chaos that happens every day, with a digital schedule, you're proactively adjusting to avoid them. So that drives higher productivity. It reduces downtime, changeovers, a reduction in materials and WIP, and leads ultimately to better use of available capacity. The big thing is that it gives these manufacturers a greater visibility into what's happening with their work orders on the shop floor. So they're not guessing, right? They're making data-driven decisions. And that's very powerful insight on how to improve, to scale, to grow. And when you're running an optimized schedule, you're in a better position to improve your throughput and ultimately your on-time delivery performance to your customers, make customers happy. And all of those things together ultimately boosts the bottom line.
Utilization rates, right? I mean, if you can get it right, obviously we don't live in a perfect world, but as close as you can get to 100%, boy, companies are high-fiving each other, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, you got it.